Okay, so we're looking at question number 9. It says simplify by combining like terms. Before we start anything, I do see a little bit of an error here. So we're going to fix this. This is on your paper. It should say plus 2x. So going on to the first question, so a like term is something that shares something in common with another number. So say I have 2x and I have 3x. Well, the thing that they share, they're alike, is that they both have x's that are both not raised to a power. So now what we do is we would add the number in front of them. So we get 5x, and that's it. Or if I have a constant like 9 and 2, these would add together to give me 11. So those are like terms because they are both constants. They don't have an x behind them or y behind them. They don't have another letter behind them. So that's a like term. So going on to the first one, you can see that it's 2x minus 4 plus 3x. And you can immediately see that there are two like terms in this one. There are 2x and a 3x. So the 2x is positive and so is the 3x. So what we would do what we can do first is we can do this. We can rewrite this as 2x plus 3x minus 4. All I have done is move the 4 back here and move the 3 over here. So I've switched the 4 and the 3x. And so now this becomes a little easier to see. So now I have 5x because 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 4. And that's the answer for this first one. For the second one, you're going to have to do a little bit more work than the first one. So what we're going to do is we're going to distribute this negative 3 in here into the parentheses. So negative 3 times x, and then we also get negative 3 times negative 3. And so this, a negative times a negative is positive, so now we get 9. So positive 9 and negative 3x is what's going to come out of that. And then we can't forget the 2x that is up here. And so now we have two like terms again. We have one here and we have one here. So we can rewrite this as negative 3x plus 2x plus 9. And so this becomes a little easier to see as well. So now we get I'll move over here so that we have a little more room. We get negative 1 because negative 3 plus 2 is equal to negative 1. Negative 1x plus 9. And that's our answer. But we can simplify this a little more by removing this 1. We don't have to have it there. So we can do negative x plus 9. And that's our answer for this question. So letter C, we notice that there are there's not another x over here, there's not another y over here, and that means that there are no like terms for us to combine. So for this reason, this is not possible. So NP for not possible. Yes, the number in front of the letters are the same, but that's the only thing they share in common. They don't share the letters, and in order for us to be able to combine like terms, they either have to both be constants or they both have to have the exact same letters, and the letters have to be raised to the exact same power for us to combine them. So for the last one, D, we see that there are three like terms. We have 5xy squared, 2xy squared, and 2xy squared. So because of this, these are both three like terms, 1, 2, 3. So now we can just add the numbers in front of them. So 5 plus 2 plus 2. 5 plus 2 plus 2 will give us 9. So 9xy squared minus, and this is not a like term because the y is not raised to this second power. So this is just 6xy. This remains the same, and this is our answer for this question.